Man, did I have my mic off this whole time? Sorry about that, guys. Let me know if you guys can hear me good now. I was talking the whole time. I thought my mic was on. But welcome to the live stream, guys. Hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. I'm just setting up here for the live stream. Put my lights on. Well, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the stream. What is this, episode 139? All right, there we go. Let's get it started. What's going on, guys? How's everyone doing today? Welcome to the live stream. Let's take a look at the markets, right? That's good. This should be. What is going on, guys? How is your weekend going? What have you guys been up to? Gonna take a look at the markets as well as Bitcoin, hovering around 67K. Right, we'll take a look at Bitcoin and the rest of the coins that you guys want me to take a look at. We're just hanging out here on the daily to see how we're doing here on the daily. Brett's up. What's up, D Money? How you doing, bro? What's going on? Follow me on. How you doing? Won 1000x. For what coin 1000x? Not, yeah, Not's 47% up already, right? King Mo, what's up, King Mo? Thank you guys for coming all here to the live stream. I just started a couple seconds ago, so you guys are early, and I really appreciate that. And thank you for the likes, guys. King Mo says Shiba Inu. Want me to check out Shiba. Ando pumping, and yeah, Ando's up 13% on the daily, right? And Jasm. Oh, so let's check out here the top 200. I think Jasm's in the top 200. So we come here to the top 200, and I can't find Jasm. Is it in the top 100? Should be, right? Yeah, Jasm's right here. It's up 3%. It's right here at the top. Turbo's up a lot too, right? I mean, let's check out. We go back here to the top 200 on the weekly. Turbo's up 79%. On the monthly, 1,224%. So Turbo's up a lot. What's up, Rick? How you doing? Oh, we got over 100 people in the live, guys. Definitely like, follow, join the free Discord and Telegram, and don't forget to like, guys. We gotta get to 1,000 likes. But this is on the monthly here on the 200. We're 200. Never heard of this coin called People before. But Trump is up 237%. Let's get back here to the daily. Pixel, which is a gaming coin, up 20%. So here you can see a lot of coins up nicely on the daily. Let's go back here to the top 100. When does H-bar take over? I don't know, but I've been I already reached my goals for H-bar. I'm not gonna say how much, but I have my goals already reached. And Caspa as well. Honestly, I think I'm buying a little bit more Caspa. I'm satisfied with what I hold for Caspa, but I'm buying just a tad bit more. King Mo says, bro, Shiba. Yeah, let's check out Shiba. This is called Crypto Bubbles. Is Shiba gonna be the first coin I look here, guys? Comment below the coins you guys want next. How can monitor and program my all-time purchases that will show what I bought? Great question by Eric. So I think there's a lot of websites out there. You gotta be careful. CoinStats is one of them. I would look at CoinStats, but be careful with connecting your exchanges to third-party websites. Okay. Good to see you too, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna check out all the coins, guys. I'll check out Turbo. We got Caspa. We got Bitcoin, of course. But let's check out Shiba, because King Mo's been on here since the first second asking for Shiba. I just started the stream a couple of minutes ago, so don't forget to like too, guys. You can see here Bitcoin. By the way, this is my indicator here that I'm the first time I stream here with my new indicator. I'll show you here how it works, but you can see here Bitcoin. Every time you come into that green, amazing time to buy, right? Bitcoin holding 67K. But let's take a look here at Shiba Inu. Let's take a look and see how Shiba's doing. Okay. And we'll take a look at very different perspectives here. You guys know I love perspectives. Here on the monthly, we can clearly see a nice bounce off that 0.5, which I talked about months ago when Shiba was actually above that 0.38, right? So, hi, what's up, Summer? Thanks for coming to the live stream, Summer. Appreciate it. Cool Beans, what's up? So Shiba Inu, honestly, Shiba Inu has bottomed out unless Bitcoin breaks 60K. It's just that simple. And the bottom for Shiba, and I called it too. I told you guys it's coming down to that 0.5, which it did. The bottom for Shiba is that 0.5. You can see right here. You had 2 weeks, actually 2 months. We were here on that 0.5. 2 months, ever since it went parabolic up here to that point 23. You see that huge wick up there? Huge wick and then come back down. So since then, Shiba actually came down, right? Shiba came down 60%. So people are talking about, oh, we didn't get a crash. I mean, look, Shiba came down 60%, right? So that this can very well be the bottom for Shiba if Bitcoin holds 61K. Let's just say that. So I'm very bullish on Shiba, on the structure of Shiba. It had that beautiful bear market recovery from the bear market ranges. Now I want to take a look at it with my indicator, my new indicator here. We'll take a look here on the weekly. You can see this is my, wow, okay, look, I'm going to show you guys here how my indicator works. This is called the fib waves. This is how it works. What do you see right here? Right? Shiba comes up here in the white for the first time, right? That's when you take profit. And guess where you buy back in? Right over here. You see Shiba holding that orange right here. And this is all based on Fibonacci. This is why I named it fib waves. So you take profit right there in the white. Shiba comes back down. We're holding this beautiful orange range, which we did right here. Look at that. Which we did right here before exploding. So even based on my indicator, it's telling me that it's a good time to buy Shiba. Right? So, and we're starting to break out of that orange range here. But yeah, it looks really good. Again, what's going to happen is eventually we're going to start to round off and explode into that white. Okay, the white's going to go up with it. Just like it did right here. Right? Didn't it just go up with it right here? So Shiba's going to push that white up once it has that next leg up. So very bullish on Shiba. I bought Shiba very, very low. Me too. Me too. But thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, guys. We're at 1,000 likes. Appreciate all of you guys. I bought 30K ADA at price 46 cents with liquidation at 35. Is that safe? So you're leverage trading ADA? Yeah, I mean, I would have to look at ADA before seeing that. So, but yeah. Jasm, you want me to take a look at Jasm? Comment the next coin you guys want me to take a look. Yes, brother, I did leverage. All right, I'll take a look at ADA just for you. So we got Motion that did leverage here on Cardano. I would be careful with leverage. I never promote leverage. I promote spot trading. But hey, you know, if you want to use leverage, just be careful. Here we can see. Let me pull a Fibonacci here on a Cardano and see some good price targets. Yeah, look. Here's the thing, right? Cardano could still. Cardano, look. That 0.78. This is the bottom for Cardano. So I would say you're pretty safe here. Unless we break that 0.78 and then... Just remember this. If Cardano breaks 38, 39 cents right here, I would look to get out. Even if it's off... Even if it's, you know, off a loss. Just based on Fibonacci. Because if we break this, Cardano is going to come back down to bear market lows. But what it's trying to do... Okay... is Cardano is trying to flip that bear market resistance, which is that 0.78, into bull market support. And so far it's doing that, right? Are we down a lot? Is there a lot of fear? Yes. But guess what? We are in the same place here that we were here in the bear market. The only difference is this time we're attacking it from the top, not attacking it from the bottom where we got rejected. We're attacking it from the top, so we can get a nice bounce in a couple weeks or months. You see that? So, yeah, I would say 30. If Cardano breaks 38, 39 cents, I would get off that trade because it's breaking a key Fibonacci level. And again, guys, it's not financial advice. It's just my opinion. I'm giving you guys what I would do in certain situations. Thank you. Wow. Thank you, ZZ. Thank you so much for the gifts. What's up, Jay Pizzle? How you doing, bro? But yeah, that's my opinion on Cardano. Taking a look here on Bitcoin using my indicator. This I created, by the way, guys, I created this indicator. It's already out. I spent a couple months creating it. It's called the Fib Waves. And here we can see right here, even based on my indicator, you can see right here, based on my indicator, that drop that Bitcoin had to 56K, that was a great time to buy, just like right here. You see how we drop it? We're in the white, we drop in the blue, and then we bounce off, right? The same thing happened here. We're in the white, we drop in the blue, great time to buy, we come back here in the white. So for a possible next leg up. So even based on my indicator, which is based on Fibonacci levels in a wave form, it shows you that that was a good time to buy Bitcoin right there on that dip. Okay. Whoa, thank you, Jay Pizzle. Thank you so much, bro. I just saw the cowboy hat right now. Thank you so much. And thank you, Jason, for the nice chili. I talk about Arc Block. I think Arc Block has you know, everything to continue to go parabolic. Pacna says, can you do Flux, Turbo? I got you guys. I'm gonna do all the coins tonight. I don't work tomorrow, guys, so I got a lot of time on my hands. So yeah, let's do Flux. Let's do Flux real quick. Flux is actually a coin that I do have, and I do like Flux. I do like the fundamentals of Flux. I think it's a true utility coin. And I like the fact that it's proof of work too, right? But let me see a better chart here for Flux in terms of this. Yeah, this is a better chart. Let me actually favorite this chart. Let me add this chart here too, because this chart has more history, as you can see, right? You see right here, the all-time high for Flux was $3, and the bear market low for Flux was around 29 cents. So I would look. I think Flux is definitely worth researching it if you don't know what it is. I think it's a great coin fundamentally. But let's see how Flux is doing here based on the Fibonacci levels. Yeah. So wait, let me do this. Let me try to make this short. This is pretty good here. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. We're not getting all the top wicks. But wow, yeah, look, Flux had a nice recovery. Okay? This is our Trading View. And you guys can join for free on my link tree if you guys want to join Trading View. I got you a Grock. I'll check out Pepe. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to check out all the coins today. User 58, how about instead of coming in my live stream and hating on me, how about you go do something useful, right? How about you do something useful with your life instead of coming on here and why don't you start your own live stream? When altcoins run here soon, do you think the will be 1-2x the next few weeks? Yeah, for sure. So look, Flux. You can see how Flux got rejected perfectly. By the way, guys, I can't make this up. This is the Fibonacci levels. Look at that. And then people make fun of the Fibonacci levels, but when you look at this, you had an opportunity to sell right here ever since we bottomed out right here. Ever since we bottomed out right here as we were coming up, you could have been, okay, Flux most likely, let me take some profits right here. This is a critical Fibonacci level. And guess what? Since right there, Flux came down 53%. That would have been a 53% trade right there. You see? This is why I show you guys Fibonacci. Because I mean, I can't make this up. Isn't that like, look at that. That's perfect. That's a perfect rejection off that price. So basically, Flux got rejected there and is trying to hold the 0.5. It's trying to make the 0.5 as support And so far it's looking good. It's looking pretty bullish. I would say right now under $1 is a great time to buy for Flux. Not financial advice, but you can see most likely if Bitcoin is bullish, most likely Flux is going to do something like this, right, and start to work its way back up. If Bitcoin breaks 63K, 61K, 60K, Flux is going to come down here to the golden pocket and eventually try to do something like that. It's just that simple. So if we have a big crash, the price you want to buy Flux is around 71 to 68 cents. That would probably be the bottom for Flux in the golden pocket if we have a big crash. But honestly, under $1 is still a good deal if you're looking at long term. So there you go. That's Flux. Appreciate all the likes, guys. We got 3,000 likes, over 80 people. Thank you guys so much. I use fibs because the fibs work. Maya says, how high can Cardano go? Yeah, let's check out Cardano price prediction. I know you guys like price predictions. Let's check out a Cardano price prediction. Look, based on Fibonacci, right, Cardano, I hold Cardano, I stake Cardano. And look, this is what I'm doing, not financial advice. Based on Fibonacci, I'm probably going to take profits once Cardano's above $6. So it's showing here that it could top here. It could top out around $6 to $8, basically. Okay. If Cardano survives this going into the bull market, $6 to $8 could be the top. If it really goes off really crazy, the 618 brings it to about $16. So I don't think Cardano will go higher than $17, to be honest. And the price I'm taking profits is above $6 and $8. So that's just me, not financial advice. Of course, you know, Cardano has to do well fundamentally, right? And develop. So far at the moment, Solana is really the one that's outperforming Cardano by a lot. So anytime, Maya. So yeah, those are the price predictions I'll take a look at. We'll definitely keep in mind. Turbo, yeah, let's take a look at Turbo. As Turbo has been up, how much has it been up here on the monthly? On the monthly, Turbo's been up 1,258%. Let me check here on the yearly. On the yearly, it's up 3,649%. That's insane. So, an arc block up 4,206%. So, let's take a look at Turbo. I'll give you my technical analysis on Turbo. But thank you guys for all the support. Thank you guys so much for the support. We almost got 5,000 likes. If you guys still didn't know, I have a free Discord, a free Telegram. My community is 100% free. Of course, the only thing I sell are my indicators and charts. So definitely check it out in the link tree. So yeah, look. Turbo, right? I mean, let me see if I can find a better chart here for Turbo. Yeah, this is a good chart. Look, ever since Turbo got launched, it had a big dump. And I'm pretty sure people thought that Turbo rug pulled. But it eventually recovered, right? You can see here that it recovered, and it's been in a really beautiful uptrend since the recovery, creating higher lows. And this leg up that it had recently was the one that it broke all-time highs basically since it got launched. So this is a beautiful recovery for Turbo. But most likely it's gonna slowly downtrend, right, just like it did right here, before it has another big leg up eventually. Okay, so I'll be careful buying Turbo at these high prices. I mean, you're literally buying at all-time highs. And even though it will have a dip at some point, okay, it will, even if it goes up even higher, it will have a dip at some point again. So, but yeah, overall it's looking very bullish, especially with a lot of meme coins going up. as we get deeper into the bull market, this is what you want to see in the coin. You want to see an uptrend, you want to see all-time highs, and potentially to continue this parabolic move, right? So very bullish on Turbo. Yeah. Check out some more coins. What coins you guys got next? You think Dogecoin hits 22 cents? Yeah. I mean, what, in November? I think sooner than that. Davian says AVAX. You want me to check out Avalanche? Alright, let's check out Avalanche for Davian. Let's check out Avalanche here for Davian. But look, Avalanche, yeah, look, Avalanche, I think Avalanche is at a great time to buy. Actually, it's one of the coins I've been accumulating here. Because it's basically building strength on that 0.5, right? It's making this support. So I'm loving where Avalanche is at the moment. Is that, I mean, look at that. I can't make this up. Exactly on that 0.5 Fibonacci. And, yeah, look, most likely it's going to hold this. Bitcoin continues to stay bullish. And we can move up and create higher highs. So anything under 40 bucks for Avalanche, I think is a great deal. Especially as it's, you got to understand, it's been holding this 0.5, right? It's been swinging up and below this 0.5 and trying to hold that support for over 5 to 6 weeks at the moment. So I'm liking Avalanche here. And you got to remember, just a couple months ago, it was at $65, right? So Avalanche came down already. Avalanche came down 55%, right? So when Avalanche was here around $65 and people were asking, I want to, you know, it's too high, I want it to crash. Well, here's your crash. It came down 55%. But what happens is we come down to these prices and people get greedy and they think that we can go down another 55%. And then what eventually happens is we don't, and then we come back up and create higher highs. So you don't want to be greedy. You want to look here at the present, I mean the past, and going on to the future. But yeah, very bullish. I do like it. Thank you guys. We got 8,000 likes, over 96 people. I'm doing good. Sadhu, how about you, bro? Chainlink, Grock. Yeah, I'm gonna check out Grock. Shop's been asking for Grock for almost an hour now. But we'll check out Chainlink too, don't worry. We'll check out Chainlink. Let's check out Grock first. This will probably be the first time I check out Grock. And yeah, look, Grock, first impressions, Grock is I mean, it's looking to break out, to be honest. It's looking to break out to be in to start a nice uptrend. I mean, it's already been in an uptrend here since the big dump, and basically it's in a it's in this pendant here, and it's getting towards the end here before it makes the big leg up, and I think it's getting very close, especially breaking this nice downtrend here. So I would argue and say Grock is going to get very close here to break out soon, in my opinion. Not financial advice, just basically looking here at the charts. Ever since the big dump here, we've been creating higher lows, but you also got a lower high. So Grock could very well put in a new lower high, but then put in a higher low, and then eventually break out, right? Do something like that, which you see a lot of times. A lot of coins do something like that. So I'm liking Grock, to be honest. It's definitely a coin I don't have, but I'm definitely gonna look into it because I like what the chart's giving me. So thanks for it. Love the simple TA. Davian, thank you, bro. I'm happy you love it. Unfortunately, we get a lot of haters sometime. I try not to focus on the haters, but you know, they just be coming on here and hate. I would just be telling them the truth. Why would you come on here and hate if you can make your own live streams, right? But hey, I appreciate the support. What coins we got here? Just hating on my live stream and what I say. What Gravity says, what app do I use for charting? TradingView. TradingView has an app and website. I use both. The best thing about TradingView is that whatever I do right here on my desktop, it syncs with the app. So yeah. Maybe sometime I could do. Yeah, I have to look at ArcBlock's fundamentals unless you want me to check out ArcBlock's chart. Just joined the Discord. I noticed you opened it back up. Yeah, David. Actually, it's been up for about 2 weeks now. If you guys didn't know, I created a new Discord. Well, not a new Discord. This is my first one, and it's 100% free. I think we almost got we got over 100 people, and there's no tiers. There's no there's only one tier, and it's a free tier. So definitely join. And let me know where you plan to live when you join. I thought SL stands for stop loss. I got that like 2 times before. I was thinking about the same thing. But yeah. Thank you, Davian. Thank you so much. TJ says, hello bro, what about Ando? Yeah, we'll check out Ando again. Let's see how Ando's doing, because I know Ando, we can see right here, Ando is up nicely here on the day, right? One of the biggest gainers here, 12% on the day for Ando. And look, I've been telling you guys, I think last stream I told you guys I was bullish on Ando, and you can see that it continues to come up. See, this is the chart you want to see for your coin as we get deeper into the bull market. This is a beautiful chart, right? That has everything to continue to go parabolic, right? It has everything to continue to do well with the market, especially when it's a coin that's gonna be pushed by Coinbase. It's in the RWA sector, which do not underestimate the RWA sector. So I do like Ando. And it's just, I mean, look, it's just, you can see this, it's a bullish chart when the dips are bought up very fast, right? When the dips are bought up fast like this, right? That's a very bullish chart. And look, yeah, last stream I told you guys, Ando was here last stream, by the way. I remember this. I gotta start clipping my streams. Ando was here and I said, this is accumulation, okay? Even though Ando's up a lot, I told you guys I'm still bullish. This is accumulation, and we're gonna start to move up here, and we did. So was right on Ando, and I think it's gonna continue to slowly go up until it's gonna start moving fast once altcoins start moving fast. So that's my opinion. Thank you, ZZ, for the gifts. You were buying Ando around 7 cents? 70 cents. Okay. It's pretty good. TJ says, yes, I bought it after your call. Thanks bro for Ando signal. Wow, look at that. Thank you, TJ. Look at that. Thank you for letting the people know, TJ. And I'm happy you bought it. I'm happy you bought it after that call. Of course, nothing here is financial advice, but happy you bought it. And here, look, I want to share here my indicator. I created this indicator, and this indicator is called the fib waves. I'm going to show you here how this indicator it showed you that that 56K drop for Bitcoin was the perfect time to buy despite the fear, right? And look, basically how this indicator works is it's a very simple indicator. It's based off of Fibonacci. If you click on it right here, you're going to see all the fib levels. You see all the fib levels right there, right? You can change the color, you can do whatever. So here on the daily, you can see that Bitcoin, right, when it had that big drop to 56, 57K, look where it was based on the fib waves. Look where it was, right? It was here in the green section. It was here in the green section. And I designed this indicator to buy when Bitcoin goes in the green. There's a reason why I made this color green and the top color red, right? I could have easily made this red, but it's all based on psychology, right? When we have the most fear, which there was a lot of fear here. People were calling 53K, right? But when there's a lot of fear, that's when you want to buy, and that would have been a great buy right there in the green based on my indicator. So and look what happens next. Like, right, we bounce off the green, we get rejected here off as Bitcoin's here, back here in the white, and now we're trying to hold this level here. So yeah, look, the last time we were in the green here, at least on the daily, this is why this is a great time to buy. The last time we were in the green was back here when Bitcoin was 38K. 38K was the last time we fell down. And that was it. Look, that was another example. Guys, look at that. This was another example here based on my indicator on when to buy. Because what happened? Bitcoin came up here to 48K. We had a big drop, right? Ignore the fear. As long as we're in the green, buy. Forget about the fear. We're in the green. Buy. What happened later? Boom. Right? So there you go. So I just wanted to share with you guys. It took me a couple months to create this, but really proud of it. And it's definitely one I'm gonna be monitoring Bitcoin here, as well as on the monthly. It's called the fib waves. What level is the white fib? The white fib is 1, right? You can see here the levels 1. The green is the 0.23, 0.23. The yellow is the 0.38. Orange is 0.5. So, and this is on the monthly. Oh, look, also based on the monthly. By the way, guys, this indicator. This is the thing about my indicator. This is gonna tell you when to buy next bear market. This is going to tell you when's the best time to buy next bear market. Because look at this. This is Bitcoin on the monthly on my indicator. Right? When's the best time to buy? Right? Like the green section. Right? Green. That's the time you buy. Bear market. Also over here. Green. That's the time you buy. Bear market. Also, the 2020. Right? We had the black swan. We had the wick down. Look where we wick down to. The green. That's when you buy. I don't care if it's. I don't care how much fear there's in the market. We're in the green, especially on the monthly. I can't stress, especially on the monthly. Bitcoin's in the green on the monthly. Buy. And here's the thing. Next time we're green here on the monthly again, because at the moment we're right here in the white. Next time we're green here on the monthly, that's gonna be the bear market. So. Most likely, it might be in 2026 when we come back here and we revisit the green again. So, but hey, that's gonna tell you the best times to buy during that time, during that bear market. So, how much should you invest in crypto? I have had many and lost a lot of money. I mean, so you lost a lot of money in crypto? I mean, look. How did you lose the money? Did you lose it leverage trading? I personally would buy and hold until we get to euphoria stage and then sell. But, you know, for me, I put in a lot. I put most of my money in crypto, to be honest. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I don't have any stocks. I mean, I have a 401k. That's the only like that's the only way that I'm in stocks basically, but most of my investments are in crypto. But of course, I'm not planning to be in it for forever, right? I'm obviously going to take profits during the peak as we get deeper. So yeah, buy the coins and hold them, sell them next year, or when we're in euphoria, right? Do you share with your Telegram group when you buy? Yeah, I do share, Croc. And it's, look, it's 100% free. By the way, look, I'll show you right here. And look, that's why I created a Telegram and a Discord, because I know some people don't use Discord and vice versa. Some people don't use Telegram. So I created both a Telegram and Discord, which is 100% free. The Discord is the third link in the link tree. The Telegram is the second link. And look, this is my this is the Telegram. We got over 400 people. I share a lot of updates, right? Even with Bitcoin. So definitely join. 100% free, and it's always going to be free. Again, the only things that I sell are my indicators. But as for community, I don't have any private groups or stuff like that. It's all free. Yeah, I do own a house. But you also want to sell before the peak. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you don't want to try to be greedy and time the exact peak. You just want to sell. How about, let's make it simple. You sell when you make life-changing money, right? At least for you, because everyone's has a different amount for life-changing money. But when you make life-changing money, sell, right? That's when you want to take a lot of your profits. Don't get greedy. If $1 million is life-changing money to you, don't get greedy. Take the profit. And I would base it off of how much you invest, right? So let's say you invest $1,000 and you make 20K. That's pretty good, right? Let's say you invest 10K and you make 100K. That's pretty good off of what you invested. So, you know, I would, if you invest 10K and you make 100K, and Bitcoin is at 150K, all coins are way up, we have euphoria in the market. In that situation, I would sell. Okay, it's very situational, but you want to sell if you make life-changing money. You do not want to hold it, lose 90% of it into next bear market. So yeah, lately we've been having a lot of celebrities pumping coins, right? Was it Iggy Azalea, Katy Perry, and that's a bad signal. But I don't think that's the top signal yet. Especially since retail, it's not like retail is in the market yet. It doesn't feel like it. A lot of crypto YouTubers and crypto TikTokers, the views aren't, you're gonna know when retail is in crypto when the views are up. And a lot of videos, a lot of people are getting views and all that, and that's just not how it is right now. It's kind of like stable, which in my opinion is amazing, because the fact that views are kind of like down, not down, but like stable, while Bitcoin is at 67K, that tells me everything, that this is going to be a really nice bull run, right? Because Bitcoin at 67K and retail is not interested in, retail is not interested in crypto at the moment. There's really not. There's not a lot of hype with retail getting into crypto. So that tells me everything, that we're not at the top. So there'll be 1,000 people. Yeah, exactly. Great point by Heather. So yeah, use I guess use my my viewership as a top signal, right? We'll probably have around 1,000 people when we're at the top, near the peak of the market. So yeah, you know, that's what's great about being a content creator. I can look at my analytics and see, okay, and this is like true. Like this is 100% true, because back in March, right? Back when, you know, altcoins, a lot of altcoins are up a lot, like Shiba, and you know, before they came down 50%. My views were amazing. My views were doing great. My videos were doing great. And now it's kind of like, it's not bad, but it's like, instead of having 50K views, it's like 5K views or 10K, right? It's not the same level. So you think you can see Pepe? Yeah, I'll check out Pepe for you, Brian. I got you. Yeah, that's a great point by Bang. Bitcoin it's slowly creeping into mainstream more and more. But what's amazing to me is that Bitcoin is 67K, and it's still, retail is still not in crypto, right? There's not a lot of hype. So that is amazing. Well, let's check out Pepe here. Let's take a look at Pepe, and I'll use my indicator. I'll use my indicator here for Pepe. I can't tell you what the top will be for Pepe because this is going to be its first bull market. I would have to look at tokenomics as well. But I'm liking Pepe here based on my indicator. And you can see why, right? Bouncing off of key price points here. Have goals 300 to 500% up and take your profit. I did twice with Dogecoin, and now I'm doing it with Jasm. Exactly what Scooby-Doo Papa said. Have goals, right? You want to be organized. If you're all over the place, you don't have any goals, you're probably not gonna sell at the right time. Wow, your SHIB is up 1,500%. That's awesome. But look, looking at Pepe, you can see even based on my my fib waves indicator, you can see this is a bullish coin, right? We bounce off right here. We bounce. I mean, this is a very bullish coin, creating higher lows. And yeah, Pepe has everything to have another leg up here. But I mean, look, Pepe can still come down here. I would say a good time to buy Pepe is somewhere around here, based on my fib waves, which then it can have the next leg up, right? But being Pepe's first bull market, and just how much it's grown since coming into this bear market, I think it's gonna continue to go parabolic, right? It's really at all-time highs. So I'm very bullish on Pepe, and I'm happy that I bought it. I'm happy that I bought it in this range. I bought it in this range right here. Okay, not necessarily the bottom. I would say I bought it somewhere like right here. I was buying Pepe like right here, right? So I'm happy with the amount I have. I still haven't sold any. I did take some profits around here, but I rebought a little bit more after I took profits. So can you please do ICP? Yes, let's do ICP. ICP, let's see how it's doing here. Give you my analysis on it. So look, ICP, you see right here what it's trying to do. It's building a lot of strength, and this is a good sign here. After coming down, if you didn't know, ICP came down. It already came down 48%. So since coming up here to $21 ICP, it came down 48%, all the way down to $10 basically. And it's basically building strength here in that $10 support. And to be honest, I think it's a great time to buy ICP, because you see, when you see a coin hold the level for multiple weeks like this, right? Each candle is a week. Eventually, it's going to start to move up, right? It's building a lot of strength here, a lot of support to move up to the upside. So I believe it's going to do that in the next coming months. It's going to do that next move up for ICP. So I think it's a great time to buy around $10 to $12. If it loses $10, which I think for ICP to lose $10, Bitcoin would have to lose 63K, 60K. If it does that, ICP would probably come back down here to $8, right? And basically retest that bear market resistance, which would still not be bad. ICP coming to $8, you get a bounce off there. We're confirming that bear market resistance and flipping it as support. So I'm liking where ICP is, and I think it has everything to move up here to 40 bucks, 50 bucks. So, and it's very good fundamentally too. So let me know more coins you guys want me to do. We got over 100 people. Wow, you guys are killing it today. Just remember, guys, when we have over 1,000 people, that's probably going to be the top. We're probably going to be near the top. But who knows? We might get 1,000 people before, you know, I don't want to underestimate my success. I know everyone likes ICP, but I would never buy it. Why? It's because no cap. Yeah, ICP has no cap, right? Your stream been doing great since I've joined. Congrats, bro. D Money, thank you, bro. And look, if you guys are new to me, I've been streaming for, I'll be honest, I started my crypto channel back in 2020 after I transitioned from stocks. But I started live streaming right here. I'll tell you when I started live streaming. I started live streaming right here when Bitcoin was like around 32K, fell to 20. So I started live streaming as we were going down into the bear market. And since then, like during this time right here, I was getting like 30 views, 20 viewers, right? Sometimes 40, but not a lot. And I get it. I understood it. You know, it was during the bear market. I never gave up. I never let that, you know, unmotivate me. And here we are. So really proud of myself, and I think all of you guys on here, guys are amazing. Brett, look at Brett. A lot of you guys are asking for Brett. By the way, I made a Brett video. If you like Brett, go support my Brett video so it can get out to more people. Because I made a video talking about Brett, that I was bullish on it even before I did this really really nice move up here. So definitely check it out. I think it's my latest video. And definitely leave support, leave a comment. But yeah, Brett had a beautiful recovery. And congrats to everyone who bought Brett around here in this range. Right. Congrats to everyone who bought Brett on this dip as it recovered beautifully here with this basically a V-shaped recovery. I mean, this is a V-shaped recovery for Brett. And since then, it's just been on a tear. Look at that. Amazing uptrend. So, very bullish on Brett. I'll be careful buying right now, of course, at all-time highs. Could it go crazy? Yes. But it can also, you know, start to downtrend before it does something like that. So a lot of coins do that. You know, after it comes here to a big price point, it'll do something like that, where we start downtrending in this wedge, and this falling wedge, descending wedge, and then boom, right? So I'll watch out for something like that. But I'm very bullish on Brett being the main leader, meme coin on base. But Yeah. And speaking about Trump, right? Did you guys see a lot of? Ever since he added crypto donations, he's been airdropped a lot of meme coins to his wallet, which I found hilarious. For Trump, Trump has meme coins in his wallet, including Maga. I think Maga is one of them. Obviously, it has to be Maga. So. Yeah, isn't the UFC going on right now? I know Trump went to the UFC. Can you check out Whiff, please? Yes. Let's check out Whiff here for Ren. Let's take a look at Whiff. I like using Gate.io because they usually have the best charts. Wow. I had this from here last time I checked out Whiff, and we can see we broke out of it. So I showed you here Whiff was in this asymmetrical pendant, right? And it broke out of it. At some point, we broke out. So that's a good sign, right? That's a good sign that Whiff is going to continue this uptrend to the upside and break all-time highs. So let's let me pull a Fibonacci here. I'm kind of curious here on Whiff. So yeah, based on Fibonacci here, yeah, Whiff's been in accumulation, right, ever since reaching all-time highs. We've been in this accumulation zone, and eventually what's going to happen is it's going to come out of the zone and then start to go parabolic, something like that, right? Where it's creating higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and then eventually it just does something like that. So it looks very bullish. It looks very bullish for sure, right? And you got to understand, right? Whiff had this huge parabolic surge right here, right? Huge parabolic surge. And since then, since topping out right there, it's just been in this accumulation and this flat, right? While still creating higher highs, higher lows. So after this nice pump, if Whiff can create a higher low, we're definitely going to get a big leg up very, very soon. So I do like what Whiff is doing. And honestly, I think before catching that next leg up, any price below that all-time high, I think is still a great deal. So not financial advice, just my thoughts. Looks very bullish. Check out some more coins. What coins you guys got? Got 12,000 likes. You guys are killing it. Would you say Aaron retail isn't interested because the world is, bro? What do you mean by that? Alright, so you guys got XRP. Higgins says Cock Inu, Turbo, Maga, Ops, Jasmine. A lot of you guys been alright. Let's check out. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna check out all the coins. Don't worry. But let's check out Jasmine because a lot of you guys been calling for Jasmine ever since I started live streaming. And I called this out. I said Jasmine was looking like it's gonna break out of this range, right? And we did. Yeah, last stream. I remember last stream I said this. Jasmine looked like it was gonna break out, and look, we did. So this is a very green signal for Jasmine. I mean, the fact that Jasmine did something like this from bear market territory was a green flag, and eventually it would break out of that range, which it was here for a good amount of weeks. Okay. So Jasmine broke out of it. It's in the 3 cents, and I mean, where can it go? Right? Let's see some price targets here for Jasmine. Where it can go here. And wow. I really like this because you see where Jasm was building support before this leg up here was exactly the golden pocket. I cannot make this up. Was exactly the golden pocket right there. We held the golden pocket for weeks. Obviously, we're holding it for so long. We're gonna move up. So yeah. Patty, whoa! Happy weekend. Thank you so much for the gift, Patty. Wow, thank you so much. And I hope you're having a happy weekend too. Thank you so much. There's a coin called LimeWire. But look, Jasm looking very bullish. Could we get a cool off here? Below the 0.5? For sure, right? We might come back down under the 0.5 and cool off and then slowly. But eventually, my next price target's here for Jasm. Around 0.5, so 0.5. And then that 0.23 around 10 cents. So Jasm can very well hit these levels as we get deeper into the bull market. So very bullish on it. Maga. Want me to check out Maga coin? Yeah, let's check out Trump's coin here, Maga. Wouldn't it be hilarious if Trump created this coin and just, you know, didn't say anything? But he does hold this coin. They airdropped this coin to him. People sent this coin to Trump, so he does hold it publicly. Yeah, look, Maga. I like what Maga's doing, right? Because when Maga topped out right here, we came down. We were in this accumulation phase. Before, look, I say this all the time. Before we have a big parabolic surge, coins usually form this nice curve bottom. So you see how this had a nice curved bottom right here? Rounded bottom. This nice rounded bottom. That was a good signal right there that we were going to do something like that, which we did. But what I'm liking here for Maga is the fact that it's retesting that all-time high. Well, that top that it had back here in March. So I like that because we can very well flip that as support. Okay, so I like where it's at right now. I'm actually looking to get some. Just a few. Just to have some for election year. Because, I mean, look, after this huge pump, it did come down. And it's at a big point of control. If it's bullish, it's going to hold this level. This is a big point of control, so yeah, looks very bullish for sure. Got 14,000 likes. You guys are killing it. If you guys are new to me, don't forget to join the free Discord and free Telegram. All in the link tree. 100% free. So definitely join, guys. Humble says, listen, XRP, you will hold 1,000 coins, sell everything else, you'll make money 15 years from now. What do you mean? I didn't get that. But look, regarding the overall market, guys, I keep it very blunt with you guys. I keep it very direct. I tell you what my plan is. I tell you when I buy in the Telegram, in the Discord, and it's 100% free. But in my opinion, I think these next coming weeks and months are probably going to be the last opportunity to buy your favorite altcoins before they really go super high prices. So if you still aren't satisfied with your portfolio holdings, you want to buy more, time is running out, right? Because when the bull market, when the altcoin season comes in, it's like a flip of a switch. It's not gonna wait for you to buy at low prices. It's when it flips, it's coins are gonna be up 20% on the day, and it's gonna be normal, 50%. So I would really focus these next coming weeks and months. That's what I already hold a good amount of coins, but these next coming weeks and months, I'm just going to really focusing on finishing on my my goals, right? Like for example, I reached my data goals for data. I wanted to have a certain amount of data, and I reached it, and I'm really really happy because it's a goal that I had all bear market long. And Caspa, I'm like 80% done with my Caspa goals. I just have a little bit more to buy more Caspa, and I'm gonna be happy with my Caspa holdings. So if you got any goals, I would really focus these next coming weeks and months. Heck, do a side job, you know, hustle, whatever, right? Get some extra money and invest, right? I'll invest, and that's the best thing to do, guys. Invest. If you look at the dollar, the worst thing you could do, obviously, is waste your money on stupid things. But the second worst thing you can do is just save money your entire life. If we look at the chart of the dollar, the value of the dollar, it's just going down, right? For multiple decades, it's just going down and down and down. And so one of the best examples that I could give for someone that's just been saving money is, you get an example like, okay, this person has been saving money from the 90s, from the 2000s, maybe from the 80s, and they saved all their money. How much money is that worth now? It's worth way less, because the value of the dollar went down and everything else went up. House prices went up, everything else went up. So you don't want to save money long term, basically, because of the currency that they're printing, and there's nothing you can do about it. We have no control for them printing the currency. And I believe, especially what will happen in recently, right, where, you know, I don't know if it's true, but they said that we printed over like 50 or something % of the dollars, of the dollar, basically, right? Like 40 or 50% of the supply. That's insane. And that just tells me that the next coming years and decades, it's going to go down even more in value because of all that, the money we printed with the lockdowns and all that. So it's kind of like the dollar's Titanic. It's like a sinking ship, and you do not want to hold it. You do not want to hold it. You want to invest. And investing is like that vehicle, that fast vehicles that's gonna get you to not just conserve your money, the value of your money, of your work, your hard work, but to grow it 10x, 50x, 100x, whatever. Okay? So, just my opinion, guys. Just sharing you guys this is what I think. IMX. So, dude, you said hot. Is the hot a coin? Is that a coin you want me to check out? Yeah, Solana. I think Solana will go to like 600 to 1,000. Which from right now, it's basically like a what? Around an 8x or something. Patty says Bonk. Yeah, let's check out Bonk real quick. Let's check out Bonk. Yes, look, last time I checked Bonk, I showed you guys it was in this ascending wedge. right? And we can see we got a nice rejection off the top of that ascending wedge. We didn't break out. So Bonk, we did not break out of this ascending wedge. So most likely we might start the downtrend here slowly. So eventually we find the bottom. And I think that would be a good time to buy unless Bitcoin is 63, 61K. And, you know, but Bonk coming down here near the bottom of the ascending wedge, that, you know, it might put in a higher low and then go up and break out, right? So if Bitcoin is doing well, the overall market is doing well, might be a good time to buy Bonk on this possible dip that it started to have right now. And this is not a good looking candle, right? This is not a good looking candle on the weekly, at least. So, but again, it's only the beginning of the week, so short term, kind of bearish on Bonk, but long term, I think it's going to continue to go parabolic, right, and break out. So that's what I've been saying. These next coming weeks and months is going to be the last time to buy at good prices. So D-Shuffle, my bad, D-Shuffle. I'm checking in, bro. I'm checking in. It's because I got people on YouTube telling me I'm not checking out on the YouTube chat. 1 Bitcoin is my goal, D-Shuffle said. Yeah. Guys, here, that's another thing too. Make it a goal to have at least 1 Bitcoin. I know we're all into altcoins. You guys want me to check out all these altcoins, and I get it. I have mostly altcoins. But during, how can I put this, right? During the bull market and altcoins go up like crazy, it would be wise to take profit from that and buy Bitcoin once Bitcoin comes down, right, into the next bear market or so. So the goal is, the plan is, take profits on your altcoins, hold that money. When Bitcoin comes down slowly into the bear market, you buy at least 1 Bitcoin. Because we know Bitcoin is, if not this decade, next decade, it's going to eventually go to $1 million. And honestly, I think Bitcoin is the most safest, conservative way to slowly, not even slowly, compared to other investments, but to get to $1 million. At least next decade. So, you know, just my opinion. New subscriber. Lend money after bull run. Why Bitcoin versus XRP? Because Bitcoin doesn't have a creator. Bitcoin has a limited supply. It had a fair launch. I mean, I hold XRP, but you guys gotta understand, Bitcoin is, there's no coin out there that's like Bitcoin. It is literally, you cannot kill like no government can kill Bitcoin. Heck, like it's more likely for America to get conquered by another country than for Bitcoin to die. Like, honestly. Floki. Let me check out Floki. Bitcoin around 67,700. Kendall, what coin is this? Kendall, what's the tag? Sir Axie's price prediction. What is it? AX. What is it called? AXS. So Axis is probably the most bearish looking chart I've seen so far on tonight's stream. But it doesn't mean it's not gonna make it, right? It's very dependent on the game. And this is what I talk about, guys. Crypto gaming is something that's super risky. If you think crypto's risky, crypto gaming is like to another level. Because gaming is very competitive. And then you put crypto next to that, very risky. But on the plus side, there's a lot of gains, right? If you get the right shot. So could Axis recover? Yes, but look, ever since peaking here in 2021, Axis is still in bear market territory. Let's be honest. We are still in bear market territory for Axis. Right? I wouldn't be bullish on Axis until we break out here above $10 and close above it. Once Axis breaks above $10 and starts making higher highs above that, then I would see a full recovery for Axis. But in terms of the price prediction, so let's say Axis does recover, right? Let's see, Axis does recover here. Based on Fibonacci from its bottom to its peak, last peak, Axis all-time high would basically be around 457 to 700. Okay, so if Axis gets to these prices, you better get the heck out, right? You want to be fully out of this coin. Around 469 to 700, based on Fibonacci, of course. But again, it's all situational. We don't know if Axis is going to recover, if it's going to survive. So I would, if you're invested in Axis or any crypto gaming coin like Illuvium, Mana, Sandbox, the number one advice I would give is to be up to date with their game, their platform. Check if they're developing, if they're getting new users, if they're, you know, if it's a winning formula. Moneyback says Wall Street controls Bitcoin ETFs, but it can't tax Bitcoin out of existence. Homeland Security knows where Satoshi is? Really? How do you know that? Saucy says, Mother Sir, it's Iggy Azalea's coin. Is it really? Wow, so Iggy Azalea has a coin now called Mother? That's crazy. What chain is it on? Let me guess. Is it on Solana? Moneybags says Bitcoin is all speculation and zero utility. I'm not saying you can't make money. I bought Bitcoin around 3,000, but I don't like Bitcoin. How come you don't like Bitcoin? And what makes you think it doesn't have any utility? Thank you for the follows, guys. We got a bunch of new followers today. If you guys are new to me, again, join the free Discord and Telegram. Both links are in the link tree. But yeah. Humble says, safe bets, Brett, Cock, Whiff, and Bonk. How's Cock Inu doing? Cause last time I checked it, it looked really bad. And it still kind of looks. I mean, I'm on the monthly. I gotta go on the weekly. Wow, doesn't look that bad. I mean, it looks like it's starting to recover. Yeah, I might pick up a little bit. I might pick up some Cock Inu. Right, I'm liking the structure. I also like the fact that it's like the biggest meme coin on AVAX. So I might pick up a little bit on this dip, right? We're still here, so yeah. Thanks for that. I'm definitely gonna pick up a little bit more after the stream. I actually don't have any. I used to have some, but I took profits probably like around here before the big dump. So Moneyback says, store of value, that's not utility. Bitcoin is all marketing. Yeah, but you can send Bitcoin without any permission to anywhere in the world, right? With a small network fee, permissionless, right? You don't have to wait for a wire transfer. The government can't freeze your Bitcoin. So I don't know. I would say that's some utility right there. Yeah, Kakinu, I have 2 million. I have 1 million to 2 million, somewhere between there. That's pretty good. I'm definitely gonna, cause look, I'm very bullish on AVAX, and Kakinu being the main meme coin on AVAX. I mean, I can't ignore it. I'm probably gonna buy some Joe too, which is like the main DEX on Avalanche Joe. So I'm gonna have to check those out. AVAX hasn't seen its day yet, and once it happens, going up. Yeah, I think as long as AVAX really becomes the leader in crypto gaming, I think it has everything to come into the top 10 in terms of market cap, which is pretty close. I think it's like around 12 at the moment. So yeah, so you know, I was about to say they're all about gaming. Yeah, that's a good thing. So I'm really hoping crypto gaming does. To be honest, crypto gaming sucks, right? Let's be honest, crypto gaming sucks. You can't name me one crypto game that is fun, like worth playing, right? But I do believe at some point in the future there's gonna be one game that takes off and becomes mainstream. Look, there's one crypto game out there that's gonna go mainstream, like viral, and people invested in that game on their coin, NFTs, whatever. They're gonna be millionaires, like, very fast. Now, I'm not saying this is gonna happen tomorrow, maybe not even this bull market, but I just know at some point something like that's gonna happen. So it's definitely worth researching crypto gaming and, you know, being up to date with that. It really is worth it. I do like Crown. What game? Auto chat said. We were just talking about crypto gaming, how it sucks. And basically at the moment it's like, you can't name me one game that's fun or like worth playing in crypto gaming. But I do believe there's gonna be a point where one game is gonna go viral mainstream. And you see, like, that one crypto game that goes mainstream, basically to people that don't own crypto, and they like, wow, this game is actually fun. Let me check it out, and that game is gonna blow up. So I don't know what game that is. I'm just saying I believe that something like that's gonna happen in the future. Zed Run, yeah, I remember Zed Run. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, last bull market, there was a lot of, like, Axie's Infinity, right? There was a lot of games that did go viral, but here's the thing: they went viral within the crypto community. In my opinion, there was no crypto game that went viral in mainstream, right, outside of the crypto community, where mainstream people were like interested in playing it. That's just my opinion, but I do believe it will happen, and I believe there's gonna be one game out there. I don't know which game, but Junior says Ando went crazy today. Yeah, Ando did great. Right, we can see right here Ando up 11%. This is on the daily, by the way. Axis did great too. Speaking of Axis, 11%, and Ronin, which is also part of Axis, up 8%. So we had a good day here on the daily. A lot of coins up. In the top 100, Knots up 46%. I never heard of Kangamoon, to be honest. Or Pump.fun. Is that a crypto game? Really? There's ETFs in Germany that hold XRP, Cardano, and Solana? Is that true? Why they keep talking about XRP, Cardano, and Sol? Oh wow! So according to Steven, in Germany they have a Cardano and Solana ETFs. Where's the Solana casino that you're talking about, Saucy? Oh, Pump.fun. Oh, okay. Wow, I'm about to check it out. Let's check it out. Let's check out Pump.fun, which according to Saucy is like a Solana casino before they blow up. Let's go to the website and check it out. Give you my honest impressions. XRP is a settlement 3 to 5 seconds. Where the world. I'm not a trader, but I tried, but I lose more than I win. Yeah, I get it, but XRP can do that, but it's very different from Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is more decentralized. No one knows who created it for years now, and it has a limited supply. So I think the main thing about Bitcoin is that it had a fair launch and no one knows who created it. Be careful. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can, right? I mean, just looking at it, this is how it looks like right here. It looks really crazy. It's like changing every single second. Is this like every coin that's being created? Yeah, look at it, created by... That's insane. Look how many coins are being created. Look at that. We're getting meme coins being created every single second, guys. This is the world we live in. Look at that. Every single second, meme coins being created. Market cap 4K, market cap 17K, 12K. I'm doing great, Fatty. How about you? Which narrative is going to be more dominant in the upcoming round? I would say I would say real world assets. As we get to more tokenizing real world assets, right? I think that's going to be the more dominant narrative for sure. Especially with like BlackRock behind it too, right? So that's great, Fatty. So pretty much there is a bonding curve that has to be met, and then once the curve is met. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, look, it's already saturated, right, Tank? The market is already saturated, and at some point there's going to be something that's going to make all these meme coins die off. I think it's going to be regulation or something like that. So I would be careful if you're holding a lot of meme coins, or not just meme coins, all coins in general. Just curious, I said, what are some good RWA coins? So Ando, obviously, there's one RWA coin that I got in a really low. I mean, it's still really low market cap, but I'm up really big on it. I still haven't sold it. I'm gonna share here with you guys. But it's called Rio. It's called Relio, but the tag is Rio. I don't know if you guys heard of it. That's a RWA coin, but it's a low cap one, right? Compared to Ando, which Ando's like in the top 100. That one is way more stable. But yeah, Proppy is another one. Props. So Chainlink. Yeah, Chainlink is one is technically RWA. Let's check out Chainlink. You're asking for Chainlink. Let's check it out. Let's check out Chainlink here based on my Fibonacci indicator, which I created. And look at that, guys. Look. Based on Chainlink, based on my indicator, right? The best time to buy in the green. Perfect. Based on my indicator, forget about the fear. Buy in the green. If you bought right here, you're up big. And look, based on my indicator, you bought in the green, right? Guess where we topped out here? The white. Perfect. And then we bounce off right here. So we're slowly coming our way back up here to the white, and to eventually push here to the upside. So I do like what Chainlink is doing. Let's go here on the weekly and see how it's doing here. This is why, look, you can see how we come here in the white, right? But once we have that big dump, we have that nice bounce right here, which was around $11 or so. So actually, I bought some Chainlink around $12 to $13. So, and honestly, Chainlink is one of my favorite coins. One of my top holdings. You can see right here. Let's do some Chainlink price predictions. Let's see where Chainlink can come up to. Let's see. Yeah, that's better. Chainlink price predictions. As you can see, I cannot make this up. Chainlink bounced perfectly, exactly in the golden pocket right there. Exactly in the 618 golden. Look at that. Perfect bounce. And based on Fibonacci here, price prediction, Chainlink can come up to as high as 99 all the way up to 130. If Chainlink has a super bull market, the 618 top is 221. So I don't think Chainlink will be above 220 this bull market based on this. But those are my targets right there. 99, 130, 220. Which, based on the price right now, is a great deal. And Chainlink's one of those coins that's a lot more safer than other altcoins. So, thank you for the follows. Thank you for all the support, guys. We got 16,000 likes. Why nobody told me about Fib? It's probably because they're hiding it. They're probably gatekeeping it. They're probably gatekeeping. Look, I'm gonna give you a perfect example of Fibonacci here for Bitcoin. Okay, this was Bitcoin's top here in 2021. You see right here? Look at this. I'm gonna use my Fibonacci to get the bottom of the bear market, the previous high, 2018, and voila! Look at that. With Fibonacci, you see that right there? Was exactly the top for 2021 on the 618. The 618 gave you the top for 2021. You see that? So if you would have seen this and you would have taken profit on the 618, you basically sold at the peak. And you would have had this as Bitcoin was rising up. So this is why I share Fibonacci with you guys, and you know, exactly. Thank you, Mr. RWA. Thank you so much for the support. Happy you found my my live stream, and I'm pretty sure I got like a lot of new followers today, new people. If you guys are new to me, of course, I have a free Telegram and free Discord, which is 100% free, no tiers, no BS, and you guys can join all in the link tree. Saucy says, can you predict the next Bitcoin high with the tool? Yes. You guys want to see it? I did this in past live streams, but since we got new people, let's predict the Bitcoin high for this bull market cycle, based on Fibonacci. Because I just did it right there for last cycle, 2021, which was that 618, right? Now let's do it this time. Where can Bitcoin top out here based on Fibonacci? Let's check it out, guys. So here we go. I'm gonna give you my price prediction for Bitcoin, okay? These are the levels here to be cautious if Bitcoin reaches during the market. So below the 618, right, somewhere in this range, 102K to 123K. If we have a dodgy bull market, maybe something happens that cuts the bull market short, Bitcoin can very well top out here. Okay, this is a fib. This is a very important fib level, and Bitcoin can top out here. Now, based on the 618, which Bitcoin topped out last bull market, just like I shown you right there, Bitcoin's price at the 618 would be around 73K, which I think is very realistic, to be honest. 73, 74K is the 618. That's where it brings us to. Okay. So there you go. That's what, if Bitcoin is at 173K, all coins are up 50x, 100x. We're max euphoria, right? It's in 2025. You best believe I'm gonna be fully out of the markets. Yeah, 173K. That's what it was based on Fibonacci, and we can see here from last bull market cycle, we topped out at the 6. Look, we might not top out to 618 just because we did last bull market cycle, just like we did right here, right? It might not happen. It might be short. It might be over here. But last bull market cycle, we topped out near that 618. We actually went a little bit above it. But if you zoom in, we closed right on it. I mean, look at this. This is why I love Fibonacci. Look at that. Bitcoin wicks above it, but closes right on it. Right on it. That was your signal right there. That was the peak. Failing to close above it. But yeah. I just followed you on Twitter, brother. Thank you, Saucy. Thank you for following me on Twitter. Also, if you like Instagram, I'm active on Instagram as well. Definitely check me out on there. I think institutional money will hold it up better than last time. Yeah, that's true, right? With ETFs. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, we also have diminishing returns for Bitcoin. So I agree. Gary Gensler and Elizabeth Warren are the enemy of crypto. Biden vetoed the crypto custody bill. Yes, yeah. And look, I made my video. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I have a backup TikTok account which I'm active on. I've been trying to grow it. We're almost at 2,000 followers. Definitely follow me on there. But today on my backup TikTok account and on Instagram, I posted a video regarding Biden vetoing the big crypto custody bill, right? And it's crazy to me how the Democrats were just turning pro Bitcoin after Trump came out and made it clear that he was pro Bitcoin, well, pro crypto, right? If you haven't seen those clips, Trump came out and said that he was gonna do he's gonna make it so crypto, this country is very crypto friendly, businesses can buy crypto easier, basically pro crypto. As soon as he came out and said that, what happens next? Right? The Dems start to become more pro crypto. But then, days later, what happens? Right? With the court and Trump, the results come out. And then literally the next day or so, Biden vetoes a pro crypto bill. He vetoes it. And it just shows you how corrupt and how, you know, they just flip-flop based on situations, and they're really not for the right intentions, to be honest. And you know, my prediction is if Biden does win, I feel like the bull market is going to be cut short. Obviously, they're going to continue to sign bills or, you know, laws, policies against crypto, and it's gonna be more pro CBDC. And you better believe if he does win, the CBDC it's gonna come into fruition very soon, probably in 2025 or 2026 at least, if he does win. So this is why I was saying this election is probably gonna be the most important election for crypto, for sure. Right, so this is going to be a big election for crypto. Yeah, that's the thing, right, Saucy? If he does wins, make sure you got your bags packed, because we're going to go to the moon. It's going to be 2017 if Trump wins. 2017. If you guys were in crypto in 2017, oh man. User 52 says, sell everything and buy golden gun and food. I think he meant gold and gun and food, not a golden gun. Yeah, exactly what Humble said. Alright, they're trying to make everything so it's So he doesn't win it. Me too, Saucy. Wow. I joined right before the bull run of 2021. That's when I got into, to be honest, my story is I got into investing in stocks and options trading. And then I was like, oh yeah, this sucks. And then I checked out crypto and I was like, oh yeah, this is awesome. Because I don't even have to trade this. It's so volatile that I can just buy it and hold it. But what got me into crypto, to be honest, was the technology behind it. That's what really got me into crypto. The fact that you can hold something digital and actually have self-custody of it, that's really what grabbed me into crypto, in the crypto space. Humble says, in 2017, in crypto wallet got hacked. I did great in the stock market. I was scared of crypto. Oh wow, really? So you had a crypto wallet that got hacked in 2017? Moneyback says, I hope Bitcoin does well. Don't get me wrong, I would keep my eyes on USDT. SEC has them in the crosshairs. Stablecoins are yeah, exactly what Moneyback said over on YouTube. Guys, I'm telling you guys, there's gonna be an event regulation wise that's going to be really, really bad for the market. And one of them is USDT Tether. Right? And just like Moneyback says, the SEC, they have Tether in their crosshair. And it's stable. It's like a stable coin war, right? So that's what I think is going to be happening very soon. Elizabeth Warren is all about CB. Yeah, Elizabeth Warren just hates crypto. Her thing is she just hates crypto on general. So hopefully she stays far away from having control of anything. Yeah, people like her, they just want the CBDC to come out so they can just freeze your money, basically. I did options too a little, then found NFTs and then crypto shortly after that. My first coin was Pepe. Really? Wow. That's interesting. So what got Saucy into, and he found NFTs and then crypto after. So you're probably the first person. I mean, there's more people out there, but I know you're the first person that I see here that got into NFTs first and then into crypto. From looking at the chats from my streams from the past. Yeah, I'm fully out of the stock market. I used to have stocks and all that, but I sold all my stocks like a while ago. The only I guess the only, what's the word? The only way that I'm technically in the stock market is my 401k. But if my 401k had like a crypto option, I'll probably be all in crypto in that too. So that's probably the only way that I'm into I'm in the stock market. And not even really technically, because I have it as bonds at the moment. But once I feel like it's back, I think the market's gonna do well again, I'll probably flip it to stocks again. So yeah, the reason why the big investors are betting on the fall of SPY is because they think we're gonna have a big recession. And yeah, look guys, the thing about the recession, guys, I would look into is once they start to cut rates, right? When we look back in history, every time we start to cut rates after increasing rates, right? We had a recession. You can look. I know there's a chart out there somewhere, but every time we start to cut rates after increasing it for a long time, which we've been increasing rates for a long time. The moment we start to cut rates, everybody thinks it's the opposite, right? People are like, oh, we're gonna cut rates. We're gonna be very bullish, right? Where the market's gonna go up. But based on history, we have a big drop in the market. So that's what I would look at going into 2025. Moneyback says he didn't get into crypto till November 2017. John was our lawyer when he said SEC beat them after 3 years. Now John is running against. That's great. Hopefully John wins and beats Elizabeth Warren. Jasm and Apple partnership? Is that real? And he says, can you do an in-service rollover from your 401k into a... I don't know. I have to look into that. I don't know about that, Andy. I would have to look into that. Currently, though, for anyone interested in Solana meme coins, the meta is celebs and Pride Month coins. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, that's the thing with meme coins. It's anything that's recent. So if you're smart, you can see ahead of time and see, okay, what's gonna be going on in this time, right? Like elections is coming up, so I'm pretty sure the election coins like Maga and other smaller election coins are probably gonna do well. Well, Jasm is pumping. I don't know if there's any news regarding Jasm, but last stream I told you guys Jasm was looking bullish. Maybe it's just based on the charts, but I haven't heard any big news regarding Jasm. Oh, you can, but you're asking if I can. No, my 401k I can't, to be honest. I have to like wait until I get on my job or something. Saucy says there's Manga, Trump. Yeah, I heard of Trump. There's Biden, Bolden. Oh, really? Lots of Dira, because I have the TSP. So yeah, I have I don't know if you heard of the TSP, but I don't know if it's it basically is a 401k, right? TSP. And what sucks about TSP is like there's only a couple amount of funds. There's like international funds, there's government bonds, there's top 100, there's like small businesses, there's yeah, basically like 5. But I'm gonna look, you know, for a rollover, and if I'm even able to. Jasm and Apple speculations of collab at Pump due to rumors. Okay, so there you go. The reason for Jasm pumping is speculation regarding a Apple collaboration. Which, if that comes out to be true, I mean, you're probably gonna see 10-cent Jasm very soon. But I wouldn't bet on it being true. I mean, I'm self-employed, so I don't deal with those. I do SCP. Oh, okay. Moneyback says, I Trust Capital is a great company to move your IRA. Yeah, I heard a lot about I Trust Capital, which is basically you can have your Roth IRA or your IRA and buy crypto on there. You could trade your crypto on I Trust, and based on the gains, you're not gonna pay any taxes once you're able to take off from your Roth, right? Your Roth IRA. I think that's an amazing amazing investment right there. Thanks Moneybacks for sharing. So I would not sleep on iTrust Capital or any good crypto IRA service out there. And he says 1% trades in and out on iTrust. Oh, okay, yeah. So you do pay like 1% on trades, right? There's like that fee. So yeah, I mean, obviously I wouldn't be like trying to day trade or like swing trade every single week or so, but you can do trades every now and then on it, right? It's definitely worth it. Let's say you're up a lot during the bull market. Well, you take your profits on iTrust, right? You take your profits, boom, we come into the bear market, you buy more, and then all those gains are tax-free, which is awesome. And you don't have to worry about short-term capital gains and all that, so it's pretty cool. Yeah. Now I never heard of Photon. It's a trading bot for Solana. And where are you able to access it on? No, I don't think iTrust has an app yet. I think they're like a website. But they're, you know, they're pretty good. They're pretty good. Yeah, tax deferred unless in Roth. Stake Polkadot. How do you stake Polkadot? Don't you have to have like a certain amount to stake Polkadot? I know you can stake Tezos. Oh wow, they do have an app. Wow, look at that. Last time I checked, they didn't have an app, but they do. I'm gonna have to, you know, start iTrust because when I'm ready, then I can basically roll over my 401k into iTrust. All through Phantom, it creates a wallet for you with an. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'm about to check that out. I know it's good because I watch a lot of videos on it. People giving good reviews. You know, people that pretty reputable, leaving good reviews on it, and I haven't heard anything bad about iTrust. So. Oh, the app is very user friendly. That's awesome. I have to check it out. We're almost at 20,000 likes, guys. Can't believe it's almost 1 a.m. I'm just happy I don't work tomorrow. But wow, Jasmy's up 107% on the monthly. Brett's up 204%. Right, so you can see a lot of coins up nicely. Is Brett in the top 100? Wow. Brett's in the top 100, guys. Insane. Look at that. Brett's in the top 100 market cap. That is insane. It passed 100. Wow, it passed 128 coins on the monthly. I just realized it. Brett is in the top 100. Please don't spam Turbo Coin. Lewis, check out Glint Pay when you have a chance. Glint Pay. Sure, I'll check it out. What is it about? So this app, this is a website and also an app. It's called Crypto Bubbles. So you just search Crypto Bubbles. They do have an app, but I'm on the website, as you can see. And what's cool is you can look, this is the top 100. We'll take a look at the top 200. This is the top 200 right here. In terms of market cap, of course. You can see here, Turbo up 1,265%. Trump up 231% here. This is based on the monthly, by the way. So, obviously in the top 200, you see a lot of meme coins. No, I'm curious. I haven't done the top 300. Let's do the top 300. Freak it. Yeah. It's like meme coins are like just the leaders in every one. And the Punky, which I did a video on. Right. Actually, I like GMX a lot too. Let's go back into the top 100. It's like even in the top 100, meme coins are leading too. It's insane. But yeah, that's crypto. Oh really? After you download it, you look at it every day? Yeah, I'm out to definitely get it. And like, see that's the thing. Like, if you guys don't have like a Roth IRA, you can start one. And every single month, you could just put in, you know, a small amount of money into it, invest in crypto, and years and years from now, it'll be tax-free. And if you believe crypto is gonna go up based on the, you know, I think, what are the coins? I know iTrust has a good amount of crypto coins, not just like the top ones. So this is market cap. Well, no, this is based on percentage, based on the monthly, the weekly, and daily. But these are all the coins that are on this screen are in the top 100 market cap, basically. Oh, really? Then instead of 5,000 to 6,000 a year, you can do 50. Wow, I didn't know that. That's good to know. So Humble just said, instead of having a limit of 6,000 that you can put in your Roth, you can do 50K a year, right? If you're self-employed, right? Considered self-employed. That's great to know. So Moneyback says, buy, save, and spend physical gold at no transaction fee. With a debit card, you can spend your physical gold. Very, very good, safe way to accumulate gold. Really? Wow. That's the first time I hear about something like that. About Glint Pay. You can buy, save, and spend physical gold and no transaction fee. I'm gonna definitely have to check that out. You can say you're running a media company, you're a social media influencer for crypto. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I could say that. I mean, because I do make money from YouTube. It's not a crazy amount, but it's a small amount. And I do also make a small amount from TikTok. So I can definitely use that as income. James says, I can make you rich this bull run, but you won't listen nor buy. Thoughts on ETH? I think ETH is good. I think Ethereum is gonna, you know, has everything to come here. 9,000, even 14,000, right, for Ethereum. Once Ethereum starts to go over 7,000, 9,000 or so, I think that's probably the best time to take profits. And look, Ethereum did something very similar to Bitcoin. You want to see here? This is why, look, this is why it's so simple, guys. When I look at the charts, it's so simple. Ethereum did something very similar to Bitcoin during this bear market. Look where it bottomed, right? Exactly the top of 2017. Look at that. Not exactly, but, you know, basically in the same range. The same range here from the 2017 top. The same range. So despite all the fear, if you would have seen this, okay, we're basically in the same range as the top from 2017. Best time to buy Ethereum. Not just Ethereum, but look at Bitcoin. Where did Bitcoin bottom here? Look at the chart. The same top of 2017. It's just that simple. Bitcoin bottomed around the same range here from when we topped out here in the blow off top of 2017, 2018. You see that? So while everyone was calling for 12K Bitcoin, 10K, you could have looked at this and said, okay, we probably will bottom right here. We're at the top of 2017, and we're ultimately flipping that as support. It was a good amount of years, but we came back down and we're flipping that as support. And that's exactly what happened. And it's just that simple. And who knows, maybe next bull market, this will be the bottom. Around 65K. Right? This might be the range here where the bottom will be around 65, 60K, 61K, maybe 56K. Somewhere in this range would probably be the bottom. But again, it's my opinion. And anytime, Perky Soda, anytime, bro. And I just want to thank you guys so much. I'm probably gonna be live again tomorrow. We almost got 20K likes, but it's all good. We'll get it tomorrow. If you guys are new to me, I got so many new followers today. Welcome if you guys are new. I just wanted to say, I post nearly every day, live stream a lot, all crypto, 100% crypto. And if you want to join a community that is free, no tiers, no BS, join my community in the link tree. I have both a Discord and a Telegram, 100% free, and you guys can join. I'm active on there when I'm not live. And yeah, I'll be live again tomorrow, guys. Follow if you want to know when I go live. I'll be live again talking about the markets. And I just want to thank you guys so much. Thank you, Humble. Thank you, Jane, User52. Sorry if I didn't, get to any of your coins, by the way. Tomorrow I certainly will. So thank you guys so much. Thank you for the gifts, for the likes. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you guys. Good night. Peace. And thank you guys also over at YouTube for being on here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, guys. Good night. Peace.